Today's video is on the top 3 best weed barrier fabrics. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3. Best budget. GDNaid Weed Barrier Landscape Fabric. Tired of weeds taking over your yard and making everything look messy? You're not alone. Keeping your garden or landscape clean and tidy can feel like an endless battle, but it doesn't have to be. There's a simple, smart way to keep those unwanted plants from ruining your space, and it starts with a good weed barrier. Let's discuss why this premium weed barrier landscape fabric might just be what your yard's been waiting for. First off, this isn't your average weed control sheet. This premium weed barrier landscape fabric is designed to do exactly that. It's made to give you excellent protection against unwanted weeds, keeping your gardens, flower beds, and landscaped areas looking neat and attractive for a long time. No more embarrassing patches of weeds or overgrown spots messing up your landscaping plans. Once you lay this fabric down, it works like a silent, invisible assistant that keeps your yard looking sharp without any extra effort on your part. Now, let's talk about strength. This landscape fabric is made from durable polypropylene, weighing in at a tough 3.2 ounces. That might not sound like much, but in the world of landscaping, it means business. It's tear resistant and built to handle heavy foot traffic, even the weight of vehicles if you need it for a driveway or parking space. So whether you got kids running across the yard, dogs digging around, or cars driving over it, this fabric can take a beating and still do its job. What really makes this weed barrier stand out is how it balances weed control with plant health. While it blocks the weeds from coming through, it still lets water and nutrients flow freely to the soil beneath. That means your flowers, shrubs, and veggies get everything they need to stay healthy and hydrated. You don't have to sacrifice plant health just to keep weeds at bay. It's like getting the best of both worlds, a tidy yard and happy, thriving plants at the same time. Installation couldn't be easier. It's lightweight and flexible, and you can cut it to any size or shape you need. Lay it down over your soil, smooth it out, and cover it with mulch, decorative stones, or landscaping fabric for a polished, finished look. It's a quick job with long-lasting results. And here's the best part. It's super versatile. You can use it in your backyard garden, along pathways, under patios, in agricultural fields, or even to stabilize gravel driveways. It also helps prevent soil erosion, keeping your landscape in place and looking sharp. Smash that subscribe button like a stubborn weed trying to push through the heavy-duty fabric. Number 2, best overall. Dewitt Durable Weed Barrier Fabric. Struggling with stubborn weeds in your garden? You're not alone. We all know how frustrating it can be to spend hours pulling weeds, only to have them pop up again in no time. But what if there was a way to stop them before they even had a chance to grow? Enter Dwit Sunb Belt Weed Barrier Landscape Fabric, a total game changer for anyone looking to keep their garden neat, clean, and weed-free. This isn't just any weed blocker. Dwit Sunb Belt is specially designed for tough, long-lasting weed control. Whether you're setting up a greenhouse, working on an outdoor display, or just trying to keep your backyard garden looking its best, this fabric has you covered. Its premium quality makes sure those pesky weeds don't stand a chance. And here's the good news. You don't need to be a gardening expert or hire pricey professionals to use it. The fabric is light enough for you to carry and cut on your own, yet heavy and sturdy enough to give your garden solid, dependable protection. One thing that makes Dwit Sunb Belt stand out is its smart design. Unlike some other weed barriers, this woven fabric allows air, water, and nutrients to pass through freely into the soil, keeping your plants healthy and thriving. While it lets your garden breathe, it still keeps weeds under control, stopping them from spreading and taking over your carefully tended space. This perfect balance of protection and plant care is what makes it such a must-have for any gardener. The Dwit Sunb Belt fabric is built tough, with a heavy-duty design that resists punctures, tears, and weed growth. It's strong enough to stand up to harsh weather, whether it's a scorching summer day or a wet, rainy season. You can count on this fabric to keep your garden looking sharp year after year. On top of all that, the Dwit Sunb Belt Weed Barrier comes packed with helpful features. The 3.2-ounce polypropylene fabric is sold in a roll that's 3 feet wide and 300 feet long, giving you more than enough material to cover a large area with ease. And with a solid 5-year warranty, you can trust that this product is built to perform. Even better, the fabric is striped every 12 inches, which makes it easy to align your plants and space them just right. With the Dewitt Sunb Belt Weed Barrier fabric, you can finally say goodbye to the endless battle against weeds. It's easy to use, built tough, and delivers dependable, long-lasting protection for your garden. Try Amazon Prime on us for 30 days free. Link below. Number 1. Our pick. Blackweed Barrier Landscape Premium Fabric. Tired of battling stubborn weeds in your garden? Well, here's something that'll make your life a whole lot easier. Imagine a simple, long-lasting way to keep those pesky weeds from taking over your beautiful outdoor space. Sounds good, right? Let's talk about a premium landscape fabric that's built to do just that, and a little more. This weed barrier is made from top-notch, durable, woven polypropylene material. That might sound fancy, but it means it's tough, reliable, and made to last. It's designed to stand up against harsh outdoor elements like strong sun, rain, and rough weather. Plus, it's resistant to UV rays and water, so you don't have to worry about it breaking down too quickly. In short, this barrier will give you long-lasting protection against those unwanted weeds that pop up where they're not invited. What's great is that it comes in all kinds of sizes. Whether you need a big roll for a large backyard or just a sheet for a small flower bed, there's an option for you. And don't worry about complicated cutting. You can easily trim it to fit your space using regular scissors or a utility knife. And here's the best part. Installing it is a total breeze. No need for fancy tools or confusing instructions. Just lay it down over the area where you want to block out those weeds and use some landscape staples to keep it in place. Done and dusted. With options like a 3.5-ounce 6-foot by 300-foot roll and 90 sturdy staples included, you'll have everything you need to secure it firmly. Now, you might be wondering if a tough weed barrier means your soil won't breathe, but not with this one. It's designed with a cross-weave, breathable fabric that lets air and water through while still blocking weeds. That means your plants get the moisture and oxygen they need, while erosion is kept in check and weeds are driven away. It's a simple way to keep your garden looking neat without constant weeding. And it doesn't stop there. This fabric isn't just for flower beds. It's perfect under mulch, rock, or gravel paths, in vegetable gardens, or around trees and shrubs. Plus, it helps hold in soil moisture and reduces erosion, making it a smart addition to any landscaping job. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.